this is Judy. Welcome to Pursuit of Functional Home. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Silvanas, one of my favorite desserts. Baking tools that we need: mixer, grinder, spatulas, egg separator, bowls, baking sheet, an oven, wax paper, wet and dry measuring cups and spoons. Let's ground the roasted cashew nuts and Marie biscuits separately. Let's make our meringue. We need eggs, cream of tartar, sugar, and some baking tools. Using an egg separator, separate the egg yolk from the whites. Beat egg whites until bubbly, then add cream of tartar powder. After 1 minute, gradually add the sugar. Beat until soft peaks form. This means the meringue would stick to the mixer and it's not runny. Gradually add and sprinkle ground cashew nuts and carefully fold until evenly distributed. Divide the mixture into half. Pour half mixture into a baking sheet with wax paper. Then level the mixture using icing spatula and distribute evenly. Bake in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Now we are going to make our buttercream. Using a sifter, we're going to sift our icing sugar. Beat the butter until creamy, then add the icing sugar. You may use the mixer or rubber spatula to mix them. And then gradually add the milk. I use evaporated milk, or you can just use fresh milk. Any brand will do. Now we're going to spread the buttercream on the meringue. You can adjust the thickness to your liking. Then we are going to put the meringue sheet on top. I usually put the meringue inside the ref to maintain its form. If I don't, it will be very sticky. So now we are going to peel off the wax paper, and then we're going to put the buttercream at the top and at the sides, and then using a sifting tool, we're going to spread the Marie biscuits on top, and at the sides we can use the spatula to stick the ground Marie biscuits. So this is optional. So to smoothen the surface, you're just going to use a wax paper, and on top of it we're going to run through using a tissue paper. And then I put a chopping board at the bottom and then a baking sheet on top, just to help me flip the Silvanas. And I just repeat the whole process. So I peel off the wax paper, and then on top of it I continue spreading the butter mixture, and then sprinkle the ground biscuits. And I was using a ruler and a kitchen knife to measure and cut my Silvanas. So I plan to make it 2 by 2 inch Silvanas, and I had a bite. I can't wait because it's really yummy. So here it is. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, just ask me below. And thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And I also have a blog, www.pursuitoffunctionalhome.com. so there's a lot of recipe there. Aside from that, there are other things there that might be of interest to you, so I hope you could visit my blog too. And connect with me in Google Plus, Facebook, and Twitter. So I love to include you in my network. So just add me in. And that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Goodbye.